My legs will be up in 20 seconds.
Welcome back, guys. This is Quickies by the Bare Naked Chef, brought to you by Scruff, and I'm here today with my special guest, Justin Russo from Logos Fire Island. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
So, what's going on? What's the deal?
I have a bit of a cooking emergency.
Okay.
So I have been using SCRUFF Venture app, and it is incredible.
Yeah.
However, I met this really sexy guy from Sao Paolo, and he's coming this weekend to see me. And I promised him a great meal in the kitchen.
Okay.
But he only eats fish.
Experience.
No skills when it comes to that. So
Well, I have the perfect solution for you because this is so easy and it's one of the most delicious fish dishes that I can teach you. It's super easy. It's called Sole Meunière, but it's my take on Sole Meunière. I had a couple of extra ingredients. So, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm just going to show you what you're going to need today. We've got a couple of beautiful sole fillets here. So I'm going to have you put the flour on the plate.
Sure.
And I'm going to salt and pepper these fillets. So Justin, what do you have going on these days?
So right now, I'm in the middle of filming my own TV series.
What?
Yeah. It's called Check Your Luggage, and it is an LGBT travel show.
I love that.
It's super neat, and the premise of the show is I get to travel around the world and go to different cities and locations and explore all that the communities have to offer to the LGBT groups. And best of all, the SCRUFF Venture app comes in super handy.
I was going to say, that's perfect for you right now.
It's so easy to dial in, see who is there, who I can go visit in my spare time from filming, and
you're going to be super popular. And I'm just dredging this in the flour. And what that's going to do is going to give us a nice crusty coating when we cook it. So I have to ask you.
yes.
While you were on Fire Island,
Yep.
did you cook it all in the house?
I became the house grandmother, and I say that because I was, the old soul who knew how to make a pasta dish.
So that flour, it just allows that little crust to happen on the surface of the fish. Let's flip her over. That's what we want. I'm going to toss about 2 of those pads of butter in there.
Are we putting it right on top or just in the pan?
Put it in the pan where there's some space.
Got it.
So this fella from Sao Paolo, how long is he in town for?
He's only in town for the week, and he's here for work, but we'll be spending a few days with me. So, well, hopefully that's the hope. And I'm thinking after this meal, he may stay a few more days.
I just started using the Venture app. It's nice to kind of see different faces that you're not kind of used to. Yeah, I'm gonna toss a little bit of this wine and just pour that all over. Look at all that goodness. Put some of that over the couscous. And then what we're going to do is finish it off with some of this parsley.
That looks delicious.
Prepare it with a nice white wine. This guy is going to be knocked off his feet. Make a toast to your new adventures, a new romance possibly, and
A happily ever after.
a happily ever after. Cheers. You know what you think?
Oh my god.
That's right.
That's spectacular.
It's so easy. It's fresh, it's lemony, you get a little bit of that wine in there, and paired with that couscous.
My legs will be up in 20 seconds.
Well, cheers to that.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thanks so much for coming by, Justin. And listen, good luck with your day. And,
Thank you.
Your new adventures and traveling.
Thank you very much.
Good night, guys.